thermal conductivity related questions, Poynting vector related questions, charges in a sheet, efficiency will come, free energy related questions. Then comes oscillation. Hi everyone, this is Vivek Dwivedi, 4th year integrated MSc in chemistry at NISA. In this video, I am going to tell you what are the most important and expected questions in physics that may come in NEST 2021. For your information, I have already made detailed videos on chemistry and maths. This is on physics. Bio will be coming soon. Join the Telegram channel if you want more resources. I have shared a lot of things like mock test series, previous year paper solutions, and a lot of guidance courses for NEST. Also, you can get various resources. I have given even free mock tests. A small disclaimer before the video that note that all these questions and topics which I am telling are from our experiences and from the trends of previous year papers. We have been working on this for past 3 months and we have analyzed it, and this is what we got. So what are the important topics and kind of questions which you can get in physics? First is that all the chapters of mechanics, like especially work, energy, power, gravitation, Newton's law, etc., and related to projectile motion. These are very important topics and have very high chances 1 question or 2 question may definitely come. Next is fluid mechanics, 1 question for sure. Then comes thermal physics, especially based on basic laws and thermal conductivity related questions. Thermal physics is relatively easy topic, and so prepare this well. Then comes PV, PT graph related questions from thermodynamics. These are very important questions. Then comes mixed questions using different concepts of mechanics together. 1 to 2 questions are going to come. Then comes sound waves, Doppler effects, 1 question may come. Then electromagnetism, EM waves, Poynting vector related questions, and other properties of EM wave. Then comes magnetism, so induced magnetic fields, Lenz's law, right hand rule related questions, and thumb rule related questions. Then electrostatistics questions using different diagrams of point static charges, charges in a sheet or in a sphere, those questions. Then electrodynamics, basically moving charge, 2 wires having current in same or opposite directions, and diagram based questions in this topic. Then comes polarization of light related questions, 1 question may come, very high chances. Then comes ray optics, so different questions based on lens or mirror or optical instruments. These are highly probable topics. Next is wave optics, so double slit experiment, scattering, diffraction rules related, 1 question for sure, 100%. Then comes Carnot engine, refrigerator or any arbitrary engine, efficiency will come, or graph related questions, work done, entropy, enthalpy, free energy related questions, 1 question, very high chances it will come. Then comes oscillation, 1 dimensional, 2 dimensional, simple harmonic oscillation related questions. Complicated problems, 1 question is almost sure to come. Then using combination of springs and strings, 1 question, very high chances. So these were the most important topics in physics. If you have more questions, feel free to write in comment. I will definitely answer them. You can also message me in Telegram channel. With that, all the best for your exams. See you at NISA or CBS. Bye bye. And don't forget to subscribe.
With